Stevia is an intensely sweet-tasting, zero-calorie plant extract that's gained interest as a replacement for sugar. It has spiked in popularity in recent years, thanks to its reputation as being a more natural sweetener compared with common lab-made artificial sweeteners. Stevia, that comes from a leaf extract, is now an ingredient in 14,500 foods and beverages worldwide. You'll find the sweetener widely available under many brand names in the store for use at home, including Stevia in the raw, PureVia, SweetLeaf, Pyure, Wholesome, and Splenda Naturals, which now makes its own version of Stevia. Here are some of the possible health benefits of Stevia. 1. Diabetes. Research has shown that stevia sweeteners do not contribute calories or carbohydrates to the diet. They have also demonstrated no effect on blood glucose or insulin response. This allows people with diabetes to eat a wider variety of foods and comply with a healthful meal plan. Another review of 5 randomized controlled trials compared the effects of stevia on metabolic outcomes with the effects of placebos. The study concluded that stevia showed minimal to no effects on blood glucose, insulin levels, blood pressure, and body weight. In one of these studies, subjects with type 2 diabetes reported that stevia triggered significant reductions in blood glucose and glucagon response after a meal. Glucagon is a hormone that regulates glucose levels in the blood, and the mechanism that secretes glucagon is often faulty in people with diabetes. Glucagon drops when blood glucose climbs. This regulates the glucose level. 2. Weight control. There are many causes of overweight and obesity, such as physical inactivity and increased intake of energy-dense foods that are high in fat and added sugars. The intake of added sugars has been shown to contribute an average of 16% of the total calories in the American diet. This has been linked to weight gain and reduced control of blood glucose levels. Stevia contains no sugar and very few, if any, calories. It can be part of a well-balanced diet to help reduce energy intake without sacrificing taste. As mentioned, stevioside is a type of glycoside, but there are other glycosides in stevia that can actually relax the blood vessels, increase urination, and facilitate the elimination of sodium from the body. This means that less stress is put on the cardiovascular system, and there can be a drop in blood pressure, which protects heart health and prevents certain conditions such as atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes. 3. May lower cholesterol levels. Studies show that consumption of stevia leads to a significant reduction in bad LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels, and an increase in the HDL cholesterol levels, which is healthy cholesterol and is essential for good lipid profile. 4. Possible anti-cancer potential. The possibly rich source of antioxidant compounds that may be found in stevia makes it an ideal dietary supplement for the prevention of various cancers including pancreatic cancer. Stevia leaf extracts exhibit a high degree of antioxidant activity. It is also reported to inhibit hydroperoxide's formation in sardine oil with a potency greater than green tea extract. Quercetin, camphorol, and the other glycoside compounds in stevia help to eliminate free radicals in the body, thereby preventing them from mutating healthy cells into malignant ones. Antioxidants also help to prevent premature aging, cognitive malfunction, and various other conditions like heart disease. 5. Children's diets. Foods and beverages containing stevia can play an important role in decreasing calories from unwanted sweeteners in the diets of children. There are now thousands of products on the market containing naturally sourced stevia, ranging from salad dressings to snack bars. This availability allows children to consume sweet foods and drinks without the added calories while transitioning to a lower sugar diet. Excessive sugars and calories are linked to obesity and cardiovascular disease. 6. Allergies. In 2010, the European Food Safety Committee reviewed existing literature to determine if there was any cause for concern regarding the potential for allergic reactions to stevia. The reviewers concluded that stevial glycosides are not reactive and are not metabolized to reactive compounds, therefore, it is unlikely that the stevial glycosides under evaluation should cause by themselves allergic reactions when consumed in foods. Even the highly purified forms of stevia extract are highly unlikely to cause an allergic reaction. No cases of allergic reaction to stevia have been recorded since 2008. 7. improves bone health. Although this hasn't been extensively tested in humans, certain studies have shown that chickens that have been fed a stevia diet lay significantly thicker shells that contain a much higher content of calcium than average eggs. This has been extrapolated to humans, meaning that it could potentially help build stronger bones and decrease the chances of osteoporosis, thus improving bone health. 8. Skin care. Due to its antibacterial properties, stevia has been found to be a useful topical application for skin conditions such as eczema and dermatitis. It inhibits the spread of bacteria and acts as a steroid in these situations, making it a popular option for many people who can't get relief from these conditions. 9. Pancreatic cancer. Stevia contains many sterols and antioxidant compounds, including camphorol. Studies have found that camphorol can reduce the risk of pancreatic cancer by 23%. 10. Stevia is good for your teeth. When you consume sugar, an adhesive layer of bacteria is formed on your teeth, causing dental plaque and cavities in the long run. So-called sugar alcohols such as erythritol, maltitol and sorbitol are popular ingredients in chewing gums and toothpastes because the dental bacteria cannot ferment them and thus can't adhere to your teeth. There is a downside to sugar alcohols though. They still contain a lot of calories and some of them still have a high glycemic index, which is harmful for diabetics. On top of that, they cause bloating and gas in individuals who are sensitive to them. Stevia has the same benefits as the polyols, but doesn't come with all the discomforts. 11. Stevia helps with candidiasis. Candida albicans is a natural type of yeast that's present in every human's intestines. But in some people, this yeast population can grow excessively large, and that's when an infection called candidiasis occurs, causing symptoms like diarrhea, nausea and vomiting. The main culprit with candidiasis is the fermentation of sugar in the intestine, and therefore many candida diets are based on eliminating sucrose from a person's eating patterns. Raw stevia cannot be fermented by candida albicans, and does not promote candidiasis, so it should be perfectly safe to substitute sugar with stevia for people with this condition. 12. Stevia helps to suppress cravings. As we all know, sugar is addictive. Artificial sweeteners such as aspartame or sucralose may not have any calories or glycemic index, but they still promote cravings for sugary sweets. On top of that, an increasing amount of consumers over the years has reported negative side effects when using artificial sweeteners, ranging from headaches and dizziness to rashes and stomach pains. Stevia, on the other hand, has been reported to suppress cravings. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, then hit the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel for more valuable videos to improve your health.